What if I told you that Warren Buffett's legendary investment empire started because someone shorted him 12.5 cents? That's right, 1/8 of a dollar. In the 1950s, Berkshire Hathaway was just a struggling textile mill in New England, bleeding cash and shrinking year by year. But Warren Buffett saw something different. The stock was trading below its book value, and to a young value investor, that meant opportunity. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. In 1962, Buffett began quietly buying up Berkshire Hathaway shares. His plan: buy low, wait for the rebound, then sell for profit. But what happened next was personal. In 1964, Berkshire's CEO, Seabury Stanton, offered to buy Buffett out at $11.50 a share. Buffett agreed, but when the offer came in writing, it was $11.375, just 12.5 cents less. Buffett felt cheated. And Buffett doesn't like being cheated. So he did the last thing Stanton expected. He kept buying. And just like that, Buffett became the majority owner of Berkshire Hathaway. Now Buffett owned a struggling textile mill. Not exactly the dream. But here's where his genius kicks in. Instead of reviving the dying textile business, he used Berkshire as a shell, a holding company. One of his first major moves? Buying National Indemnity, an insurance company. Why insurance? Because it generates float, money collected from premiums that can be reinvested before it's paid out. That float became Buffett's secret weapon. Through Berkshire, he acquired Geico, Coca-Cola, BNSF Railway, and eventually a massive stake in Apple, all powered by insurance float and value investing discipline. Buffett would later call the Berkshire takeover his $200 billion mistake. Because instead of wasting time on a failing textile mill, he could have started with insurance from day one. But in that mistake, he created one of the most powerful investment vehicles the world has ever seen. Today, Berkshire Hathaway spans railroads, energy, insurance, candy, real estate, and tech. And it all started because someone tried to short Warren Buffett 12.5 cents. Sometimes the best deals come from the worst decisions. And sometimes, revenge buys make you a legend. Hit subscribe for more business backstories that change the world.